Nat, it's always kind of a little bit of a scary thing when they say you're in a heat advisory until Friday and it's
Yeah.
just Monday. So does that mean all week we're just
All week.
going to be smoking hot?
Yeah, and actually it's going to be upgraded to a heat warning for many areas starting tomorrow afternoon. So yeah, it's going to be a hot week. No way to look at it any other way. Hour by hour this evening, not too bad. Low 90s at 7 o'clock, 90 degrees at 8, and 86 by 9 o'clock. It will be hot and humid through the evening hours. The reason to say it's not too bad is because there will be a breeze through the evening, and that'll certainly help take a little bit of an edge off the heat. In Manhattan right now, mostly sunny skies, as well as in Junction City. A hot evening all across the area. We'll continue to see those southerly winds. 91 degrees, and it's more of an east wind in Topeka. Western counties have a south and southeast wind. From Topeka northward, we have an east breeze, and it's keeping it quite muggy. 91 with a heat index of 102. So we see these 80s and low 90s to the northeast. That's where the higher humidity is, with low to mid 90s over the southwestern counties, and far enough to the west, 101 right now at Salina. But that's also where the slightly drier air is, with dew points in the 60s. Not dry, but just not as humid as these middle 70s over the northeastern counties. And so when you factor in that together, feels like about 102 to 105 in Topeka, same range around Junction City and Manhattan, 101 Emporia. In other words, hot everywhere. And so as we have that breeze blowing through, some areas about 15 to 17 miles per hour out of the south. Northeastern areas have an east wind. There's been some showers off to the northeast, and that's allowed for that humid air, but an east breeze blowing through the area. Look at FUTURETRACK, shows more of a southeast wind early tonight, becoming light southerly in the morning. This is 6 a.m. Fairly light wind early, but we should see a return to winds not as strong as today, but not entirely gone either. We're still looking at about 10 to 15 miles per hour out of the south. That'll help, certainly as we have a lot of heat, developing a ridge of heat building in. Showers and storms out west, scattered showers and storms as we look off to the east, and eventually this larger area of heat really overspreads the region. We'll be looking at a heat index 100 to 105 for Tuesday. Well, advances ahead into Wednesday, starting out warm in the morning and hot in the afternoon with a heat index close to 105 for most of the area Wednesday. And we advance it on into Thursday, and again about 105, 106, but this is third Thursday coming up. The event going on at the Expo Center at Heritage Hall, 5 to 7 o'clock. Music by Jake Stone benefiting SLI with a hot temperature of 101 and a heat index around 106 for Thursday afternoon. Now tomorrow, middle to upper 90s, heat index running about 101 to 105. For Manhattan and Emporia, the heat index will be lower 100s. No matter how you look at it, it's going to be hot. Your KSNT Storm Track 7-day forecast, 96 tomorrow, 97 on Wednesday, some triple-digit heat for Thursday and Friday in the lower 100s, and then middle to upper 90s as we head into the weekend. There is at least some indications that a front will try to drop into the area and bring us an isolated storm late in the weekend, but that is about 6 days away. A lot can change between now and then, and I don't want to get your hopes up too much because it gets hot right after that. Even if it were to pan out and we could get a few storms on Sunday, it turns back into another stretch of heat right after that. So we have one small opportunity for heat, and it looks like 7 guaranteed days. I should say one small chance for storms, 7 guaranteed days for heat.
All right, well, I guess we'll keep our fingers crossed then.
Yeah, that's about the only hope we have, is that one opportunity.
Oh boy, all right, bundle up. Or don't, in this case, don't bundle up, never
right.
mind, just try to make
The
it through
heat's
it.
getting to you.
Yeah, it is.